Ever found yourself staring at a subscription you no longer need, a digital ghost from a past enthusiasm, and wondering, how on earth do I get rid of this thing? If that feeling resonates, then chances are you might be in a similar boat with your Atticus subscription. Maybe you've finished your masterpiece, perhaps your writing journey has taken a different turn, or maybe you're just reorganizing your digital toolkit. Whatever the reason, you're here because you want to know one thing. How do you cancel your Atticus subscription? It's a question many of us face in this subscription-heavy world. We sign up, often with great excitement, for tools that promise to streamline our lives, ignite our creativity, or simply entertain us. Atticus, for many authors and writers, has been exactly that, a powerful, intuitive platform for formatting and publishing ebooks and print books. It's a fantastic tool, genuinely. It simplifies what can be a complex and often frustrating part of the writing process, making professional-looking books accessible to independent authors. But just like that gym membership you swore you'd use daily, or that streaming service you binged for a month and then forgot about, sometimes subscriptions outlive their immediate usefulness. And when that happens, the last thing you want is a convoluted, frustrating cancellation process. You want it to be as straightforward as possible, a simple click or two, and you're done. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the cancellation process itself, let's take a moment to acknowledge why this question is so common. It's not a reflection on Atticus as a product. In fact, its popularity is precisely why so many people eventually reach the point of needing to cancel, having achieved their publishing goals. The digital landscape is always evolving, and our needs as creators evolve with it. One day, a tool is indispensable. The next, a new workflow or a change in focus means it's time to streamline. Think about it. You invested in Atticus to bring your book to life. You poured your heart and soul into your manuscript, meticulously crafted your words, and then used Atticus to give it that polished, professional look. You hit publish and your book is out there in the world. Mission accomplished. For some, that's the end of their immediate need for the software. They might not be planning another book right away, or they might prefer to use a different tool for their next project. The beauty of subscription models is their flexibility, allowing you to access powerful software without a massive upfront cost. The flip side, of course, is remembering to manage those subscriptions. It's all too easy for them to quietly accumulate, like digital dust bunnies, on your credit card statement. And let's be honest, who really enjoys sifting through their bank statements to identify forgotten recurring charges? So, whether you've successfully published your book and are taking a break, exploring other writing ventures, or simply decluttering your digital life, knowing how to gracefully exit a subscription is a valuable skill. And with Atticus, thankfully, the process is designed to be relatively straightforward, aligning with their philosophy of making publishing accessible and user-friendly. They understand that user experience extends beyond just using the software. It includes managing your account. 2. Let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually cancel your Atticus subscription? The good news is you don't need to embark on a digital treasure hunt or send a carrier pigeon to their headquarters. The process is handled directly within your Atticus account, putting you in control. The first step, naturally, is to log in to your Atticus account. You'll need your registered email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. There's usually a prominent Forgot Password link on the login page that will guide you through the recovery process. Once you're in, you'll typically land on your dashboard or main project view. From there, you're looking for your account settings or profile section. This is often represented by an icon of a person, a gear, or simply labeled Settings or My Account. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen, a common placement for account management options across most web applications. Click on that to reveal a drop-down menu or navigate to a new page dedicated to your account information. Within your account settings, you'll want to find a section related to your subscription, billing, or plan. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it will be clear that this is where your payment and subscription details are housed. Look for terms like subscription, billing, manage plan, or my membership. Once you've found this section, you should see details about your current Atticus subscription, whether it's monthly or annual, your renewal date, and importantly, an option to manage or cancel your subscription. This is usually presented as a button or a clear link. It might say, cancel subscription, manage subscription, or change plan. Click on that. You might be presented with a confirmation screen or a brief survey asking why you're canceling. This is standard practice for many subscription services. They want to understand why users are leaving, not to make it harder to cancel, but to gather valuable feedback that can help them improve their service for future users. You can usually choose to provide feedback or simply proceed with the cancellation. After confirming your intention to cancel, you'll typically receive a final confirmation message, both on screen and usually via email, confirming that your subscription has been successfully canceled and when it will officially end. Remember, you'll usually retain access to Atticus for the remainder of your current billing period. So, if you cancel a monthly subscription halfway through the month, you'll still be able to use it until the end of that billing cycle. This is a common and fair approach, ensuring you get the full value of the time you've paid for. It's always a good idea to keep that cancellation confirmation email for your records, just in case there are any future queries. While rare, having that proof can save you a headache down the line. And that's it. No hidden hoops, no needing to call customer service and navigate automated menus. Atticus, true to its user-friendly design, makes the cancellation process as straightforward as possible. It respects your decision and allows you to manage your account efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.